All right, so here we are, starting our distance learning excitement, and you've sent a message out in Remind, and you are patiently awaiting for a response. I'm here to tell you, first time through, you probably won't get much unless you've already somehow connected with your students. Let me show you a couple things here. First of all, when you go into Remind, once you start communicating with students, you'll probably want to go up to using the web browser is the easiest. You can also do this on your phone. Click on your name there and go to Account Settings. And one of the things I did right off the bat was go to Notification Preferences and turn off text messages. If text messages are on, you'll get your Remind messages mixed in with your personal messages, and it will be one big mess. You'll want to use the Remind app to read your messages. I mean, you can do this if you want, I guess. So right here, text messages is turned off. The next thing you'll want to do is look at your classes. This was imported back in January, so you'll have semester 1 and semester 2 classes. So if I go into my first class here, I've already got a good name. Some people have weird names in there. If you click on the class, go to Settings, make sure your class has a good name that kids will understand, and then down where the class code is, it defaults to a random gibberish. Give yourself a class code that makes sense, that's easy to share. So for my Exploring Woods, semester 2, period 1 is XBXPWOO 2-1. Your semester 1 classes, you can get rid of those by scrolling down on this page. We're in the class settings, down here where it says archive class. If you click on that, it will give you the option to archive the class. It's still there, but it won't show up on your list. That will make life easier for you. If I go to my first class, this is my period 1 class, you can see that I've sent several messages, and over here blurred out, I've gotten very few replies. And I couldn't figure that out at first. And then I realized when I go to people, this list was populated by Synergy. And so it's only going to import phone numbers that are in Synergy. And most of our Synergy contacts are parents. Very few of us have student phone numbers in Synergy. So you're not going to get direct contact with students. What I did is I went into Synergy, sent a bulk email to everybody with a list of all of the course codes for my classes. And I just took each one of these, and rather than sending 23 different emails, I just sent one with everybody's course code. You still have the power in here to boot kids off if kids are grabbing the wrong course code. Okay, on your Synergy home screen, go to Home, Communication, and this will bring up an email window. What you'll want to do where it says People, select both students and parents, and check all of your classes. Yes, I have 13 preps. The rest of this works like regular email. Give it a subject. And then write a message. And in your message, you'll want to have your course codes. An easy way to do that is to insert a table right here. I made mine 14 rows and 3 columns because I have 13 preps plus a header row, and then 3 columns wide, and then you can just go period, class, and course code. And then just copy your course codes into this email. And you can do that just by switching tabs back and forth. Okay, once you send that out, in that message I tell the kids also, please tell me your name and your class, because sometimes for whatever reason, their Remind name is not what's in your roster. So there you go. How to get students into Remind when they haven't already connected or when they're not in Synergy correctly. If you have any questions, email me, eschneider@rsd7.net. Good luck.